In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add links to your Reddit post on iPhone and Android phone. Pretty much same process for both iPhone and Android, so just follow the upcoming steps. You just need to open the settings app and scroll down and open Reddit. If it's an Android phone, just open the apps and open Reddit. Then just open photos and tap all photos. Now minimize this and open the Reddit tab. Now on the center bottom you can see this option create. Just click there. Now here type your title. Just like that. Then on the left bottom you can see this link option. Just click that. Yeah, here you need to enter the link you want to add. For now I want to add my YouTube channel link, so I just minimize this and open YouTube, and I just select our channel. Just open this and copy the link and go back to Reddit. Just click the URL, then long press here, then you can see the paste option. Just click that. Now it's added. Yeah, if you want to add the text, body text, you just add subscribe our channel, then finally click next, and here add the community you wish to share. Here you can search for any community. I just select YouTube. Then you need to confirm the tags and flyer. It's required. Just click this and tab view all flyer. And here just select anything, like it's a question. So I just have question. Just cut this and tap post. That's it. Now the link was added to my Reddit post. And this is how you can add your link to your Reddit post on iPhone and Android phone. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.